G'day kids, thanks for tuning in to another Ozzie episode. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that way you won't miss out on any of the new videos we put out, and it would certainly make my day. In the meantime, enjoy this video.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie.
G'day kids, welcome back to Story Time with Ozzie. Today we've got one of my favourite books that I've loved reading for many years. It's called Harry the Dirty Dog. It's by Jean Zion and pictures by Margaret Bloy Graham. Let's learn all about Harry the Dirty Dog together. Harry was a white dog with black spots who liked everything except having a bath. So one day when he heard the water running in the tub, he took the scrubbing brush and buried it in the back garden. Look, the cheeky dog. Then he ran away from home. Harry. He played where they were mending the street and got very dirty. He played by the railway and got even dirtier. Did you spot Harry? There he is up there. Look, he's getting lots of soot from the train. He played tag with other dogs and became dirtier still. Look, I think that's Harry there. He's not white with black spots anymore, is he? He slid down a coal chute and got the dirtiest of all. In fact, he changed from a white dog with black spots to a black dog with white spots. Look, he's so dirty. Although there were many other things to do, Harry began to wonder if his family thought that he had really run away. He felt tired and hungry too, so without stopping on the way, he ran back home. There he goes. When Harry got to his house, he crawled through the fence and sat looking at the back door. One of the family looked out and said, "There's a strange dog in the back garden. By the way, has anyone seen Harry?" They didn't even realise he was missing. And they didn't even realise that was him. When Harry heard this, he tried very hard to show them he was Harry. He started to do his old clever tricks. He flip-flopped and he flop-flipped. He rolled over and played dead. Look, all these tricks. The family's just looking at him, thinking, who is this guy? He danced and he sang. He did these tricks over and over again, but everyone shook their heads and said, "Oh no, it couldn't be Harry." They really don't think it's Harry. Harry gave up and walked slowly towards the gate, but suddenly he stopped. He ran to a corner of the garden and started to dig furiously. Soon he jumped away from the hole, barking short, happy barks. He'd found the scrubbing brush, and carrying it in his mouth, he ran into the house. Up the stairs he dashed, with the family following close behind. He jumped into the bathtub and sat up begging, with the scrubbing brush in his mouth, a trick he certainly had never done before. "This little doggy wants a bath," cried the little girl, and her father said, "Why don't you and your brother give him one?" Harry's bath was the soapiest one he'd ever had. It worked like magic. As soon as the children started to scrub, they began shouting, "Mummy, Daddy, look, look, come quickly. It's Harry, it's Harry, it's Harry," they cried. Harry wagged his tail and was very, very happy. His family combed and brushed him lovingly, and he became once again a white dog with black spots. Look, he's transformed from this dirty dog back into what he should look like. It was wonderful to be home. After dinner, Harry fell asleep in his favourite place, happily dreaming of how much fun it had been getting dirty. He slept so soundly, he didn't even feel the scrubbing brush he'd hidden under his pillow. There it is. Oh, what a great book. Harry is a cheeky dog. He's a cute dog, and I love this book. One of my favourite things is these awesome illustrations. I love the colours. There's only 2 colours. Can you see what they are? Green and yellow, just like Ozzie. Yep, Harry the dirty dog. That's what he looks like. That's what he looked like when he was dirty. That's the same dog. What a great book. Kids, I hope you loved it, and I hope you enjoyed going on a little adventure with Harry, the dirty dog that realised that bath time is actually a bit of fun. We'll see you on a brand new episode of Ozzie this weekend. Until then, stay keen. If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown-up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Ozzie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials, on Facebook or Instagram at Ozzie for Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids. And until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Ozzie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.